Are you looking for trail cameras that don't run out of power? Are you looking for easy-to-use trail cameras? Do you need any cameras for your time-lapse project? Are you looking for trail cameras that use standard-size SD cards, making them easier to handle in the field instead of the smaller size micro SD cards? Introducing My Animal Command range of solar-powered trail cameras. Using Ultra HD native video game time-lapse cam with night vision motion activated, waterproof outdoor deer and wildlife hunting pack kit. We offer different models ranging from 30MP with 4K video, 16MP, and 12MP with HD video. These spy security wildlife game trail cameras and solar power pack come with a massive 4,000 mAh battery pack built into the solar panel, which will automatically recharge itself with both sunlight and daylight. This bundle saves you from the hassle of running out of power while you set it up in any location. It can make the camera run day and night without worrying about its battery power that can last up to 6 months. You also have the option to insert standard non-rechargeable type AA batteries as well into the cameras for maximum power backup. Use it without AA batteries or both with AA batteries and the solar power pack for your situation as required. The surveillance camera captures 30MP images and 4K Ultra HD video on the 30MP model and crisp sound quality, ensuring clear footages that every hunter needs, providing more high-quality visual details. And you can save it using standard-size SD cards up to 256 gigabytes for the 30MP model for ease of use in the field. The camera is fitted with auto IR filter to produce superb quality, especially at night. It also sports a 2.4-inch LCD screen with 262K color for a vibrant display. Features 0.3-second trigger speed time, allowing you never lose any exciting moment, and cover up to 120 degrees of PIR sensing angle. The sensor trigger will capture 3 photos in sequence and also has a time-lapse mode. The kit includes My Animal Command Trail Spy Security Camera, Solar Power Battery Pack, mounting brackets for both the trail camera and solar power pack, and all required cables. Don't miss a moment in the hard woods, and never run out of battery power with the My Animal Command solar-powered trail cameras. Ultra HD native video game time-lapse cam with night vision motion activated, waterproof outdoor deer and wildlife hunting pack kit.